saying that my country is not good, but I just have to be real here. Hi guys, hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you things I love about Ghanaians. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you things I love about Ghanaians, or things I love about Ghana people. So in this aspect, we are going to be having two categories. Yes, two categories. And before we do that, stay tuned and let me appreciate all my old subscribers, my new subscribers, you that is subscribing right now. I want to say a very big thank you for all the love and support. May God bless you all. And if you are new to my channel, in this channel we are into cooking, lifestyles and beauty. If you fall in any of this category and you want to be among this awesome family, just go and click that red button that says subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. So guys, this two category is going to be their lifestyles and their food. Yes, their food. So if you are the lover of food, stay tuned to this video. Don't go anywhere. And let me tell you some tips of Ghanaian food. Yes, although I have never been in Ghana, but I have a family that stays in Ghana for a long time. So it talks much about Ghanaian. It talks good about Ghana people. Aspect of that, I have associated with Ghana people, especially us that lives in Europe, like diaspora, we that live outside Nigeria, because I am in Nigeria based in Italy. In different way, we have associated with different country and we have met with different characteristic. But of Ghana people, first of all, they are so lovable. Yes, they are so lovable. They care, they love people, they love themselves, and they are so unite. Like the unity among them so big. They love themselves a lot, and I love that fact. Even if they don't know themselves, immediately they speak that language together. They are now one family. They love themselves and they can do anything to help themselves, and they do it to others as well. If they knew anything that is going to benefit you, they are going to share with you. They are going to show you the way. Like in this Europe, I have met with Ghanaian person that makes me know things that I didn't even know before. Like, I'm not saying that my country is not good. We just have to be real here. That Ghanaian person just put me through and let me know the things I have to know in this country where I live in Italy. In other parts, they are so honest, like honest. I don't know if there is anything promise and fair in their country. I don't know. But once they tell you things like this, once they tell you yes, their yes is yes. And once they tell you no, their no is no. They are so honest. What they can do, they will tell you they will do it. And what they cannot do, they will tell you they cannot do it. They are so honest. And they can do anything that will make them prove who they really are. They always prove themselves outside in a perfect way. Like, they are so good and honest, and that is what we all want. Like, to be honest to ourselves, to be unite and to love ourselves. So those three words are heavy. Like, those three words are important to all. In that part of their food, do you want to hear this? Where is all the Ghanaian? Come and gather here and let me know. And I want you guys to teach me this food though. I want you guys to teach me how to prepare all this food. The number one food I love about Ghanaian food is their washe. The first time my family member that lives in Ghana prepared this food, oh my God, oh my word, that food was so delicious, like perfectly delicious. After I ate that food, I decided to go and search for it on YouTube. You cannot imagine who I saw there. Have you heard about Sweethome? Sweet Adjeley. Shout out to Sweetie Adjeley. Oh my God, Sweetie Adjeley is a wonderful, a perfect content creator. He's into food. Oh my God, when you get to Sweet Adjeley's channel, you are going to be hungry. When I went there and I saw that food we are just calling my name for so many times. So that is how I learned how to make washe, and I do prepare it in my house now. And I will also take permission. All this food I'm going to name here, I'm going to try and make in my channel. I hope Ghana, you will be glad for me as a Nigerian woman making Ghana food. So let me know at the comment section. And the second food I love in Ghanaian food is keke. Oh my goodness, it's funny. I'm going to be giving you a shot of it from Sweet Adjeley's video on top of this stream. I hope you find it useful. Keke, hey, I don't know if I put it right. Oh, keke is how we make agidi, but they do not filter their own corn. They just, after grinding that corn, they just do everything. So that is how keke is made, but you have to pass through some process to get the real keke. Put me right if you are a Ghanaian under this comment section. Put it at the comment section in this video if you are a Ghanaian, if I put it right. Keke. The other food I love in Ghana food is palm oil soup. Yes, palm oil soup, as we also know as banga in Nigeria. They don't grind their pepper. They just add it full, or they just cut it a little bit and put it into that palm oil soup. And that palm oil soup is so delicious as well. If you have not tried Ghana food, as I am naming them, try and take your pen, just write it down, and make sure you try out these 3 food I just mentioned, and you will come and testify that Ghana do have wonderful and delicious food. Yes, I am not saying that other countries don't have food, but depends on the one I have tasted. Like, I have tasted this Ghana food and I find it so delicious. And guys, look forward to that video. I am going to be into Ghana's food right now. If you want to enjoy this, stay tuned to my channel and you will never regret coming to this channel. This is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know at the comment section. And if you have been watching us, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Yes, not be by force, so they beg. Just go and hit that button that says subscribe, and make sure you put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our video. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.